Hello, I am Mr. Christopher, your online maths teacher under the platform of Dcn. Alright, we have a question before us today, and the question is 4 of the interior angle of a pentagon are specified as 80 minus y in bracket degree, comma, 80 plus y in bracket degree, comma, 120 minus 2y in bracket degree and 120 plus 2y in bracket degree, full stop. Calculate the size of the fifth angle. That's the question. Now, one thing I want you to know in this question is it's talking about pentagon, and the topic is under regular polygon. Now, when since the question is talking about pentagon, what do you know, as in what does pentagon mean? Pentagon are angles with 5 sides. Angles with 5 sides. Now, since it's talking about 5 sides, only that alone I'm giving us the clarity of how to solve the question. So the first thing to do is to first make the diagram of a pentagon. Now, solution. Diagram of a pentagon. I have to make the diagram to be bold. At least this is okay. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. Now this is pentagon. Now the next thing now is to fix in the 4 specified angle that was given in the question. The first one is 80. So the other the arrangement does not matter. You can arrange it anyhow. The next thing is 80 again plus y degree, followed by this one, which is 120 minus 2y degree. Then the last one, which is 120 plus 2y degree. But the one thing is missing, which is the fifth one, and that is what the question asks us to calculate. Then let's make this place y also in degree. Now that we have put the old angles in this diagram, then it is easy for us now to calculate the size of the fifth angle. But then before that, we have to bring out the formula for some of the angles of interior angle of a regular polygon. And that is sum of the interior angle of a regular polygon. It has a formula, and the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. N minus 2 in bracket multiplied by 180 degree. Now that we have done this, the next thing now is to look at the particular size of the angle we're talking about. And that size of the angle is pentagon, which means it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our n is equals to 5. And this is an indication that any place you see n, you replace it with 5. So let's say this implies any place you see n, I replace it with 5 minus 2 in bracket multiplied by 180 degree. So when you take 2 out of 5, it will give us 3 multiplied by 180 degree. Everything is equals to 540 degree. Now we have gotten this 540 degree. The 540 degree is not the final answer. Reason is because the question says we should look at calculate the size of the fixed angle. So this 540 degree is telling us that the total angle in this pentagon, by the time you get it and sum everything together, it will give you 540 degree. So let's go. So for us to get this 540 degree, we have to sum all this angle together and see whether it will be 540 degree. But before that, we have to get the size of the fifth angle. Let's go. 80 minus y plus 80 plus y plus 120 minus 2y plus 120 plus 2y. Then you have to add the last one, which is the fifth angle, which is y degree, everything equals to 540 degree. Now we have gotten this 540 degree, we can still proceed by correcting the lighting. So we have minus y plus y plus minus 2y, sorry, minus 2y plus 2y, then plus the y which is the size of the fifth angle, then plus 80 plus another 80 plus 120 plus another 120, everything is equal to 540 degree. Now that we have gotten this 540 degree, let's move to the other side for better view. Then maybe let me rewrite it again. Minus y plus y minus 2y plus 2y plus y plus 80 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree plus 120 degree equals to 540 degree. So this will cancel this will cancel this. It will remain ordinary y plus 80 will give us 160. 160 plus 120 will give us 280. 280 plus 120 will give us 400 equals to 540 degree. Now to get the value of y, we have to say y equals to, you are seeing it now, sorry if I block you. So y equals to 540 degree minus 400 degree. Why? How come? The reason is because you have to take this 400 out of both sides. You can do it that way, or just transfer this 400 to the other side, and when positive plus equal sign, it will become negative. So our y now is equals to 140